I guess I just wanted to do a video and I decided that I want to do like a half makeup and makeup. So I'm going to grab this quickly off on the one side. This side is going to be new. Okay, that side is not going to be. That side is going to be. So I just quickly want to make a line. I'm going to use this brush. And I'm making full face, and this is actually my mother's products. Half of it is mine. So y'all can't really see the line, but y'all y'all get the reference. Alright, so I'm just now gonna add a little more. So my mother used this, and I'm assuming I use it on me. Next up is bronzer, and I don't have bronzer, so we're just gonna go. Okay, so this is like a blush, you know. It looks brown. It's not brown. No, my name is just playing a game. So. Now I'm gonna go in with my mother's concealer. Oh shit. I don't like this type of concealer, to be honest.
Did Mama say you can use that?
Yes. I add some on my brow, on my tongue, and then my nose. I do want to do bronzer, but I only have this. That's for my lips. Okay, so this is what I got. I'm not just gonna try to blend it. That's all. Can you see? Okay, but now it's time to do. That's the session. Which doesn't, but this one's saying so. I'm just finishing going with this one. I'm just gonna go in like only there. Oh my gosh, it's like on my beauty spot, if it's called a beauty spot. I didn't even do my lashes, but can you all see the blush? It's a tiny blush. I just wanna go in with my concealer because this not working. Where is it? And also I'm just gonna use this as concealer. I wanna empty this bottle and put my production. I'm gonna add there again with my eye. Oh my gosh, I almost added it in my eye. Okay, so I now wanna gosh, what is it? I'm doing this in my phone, not on the mirror. My time is running out, so I also just wanna say go watch I'm gonna post the results after I'm done on my other account.